Hello everyone, my name is Margrette. If you're new here, please do click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today I'll be vlogging about MultiGyn Actigel. This actually prevents and treats vaginal discomfort. So even if you don't have bacterial vaginosis or BV, it can actually treat any discomfort, itchiness, bad odor in your under there, the vagina. So this blocks harmful bacteria in a safe and natural way. It also counters yeast or Candida and optimizes the vaginal flora and condition of the tissue. So it can give you an instant relief of vaginal discomfort. So this is a 30 ml tube. Okay, so this is the tube. It has this along with it. Of course, you need to open it and apply the applicator here on top of the tube. Right, so this is how it will look like afterwards. This is a small tube. You can actually bring it anywhere you want, just in case you have sudden itchiness or soreness under there, so you can actually use it and just take it in the comfort room. So instructions for use: make sure you use this product at least twice a day in ample quantity for at least 5 days for bacterial vaginosis. So if you have undesirable discharge, bad odor in your vagina, you can actually use this product. They have a Facebook page, guys. It's MultiGyn Actigel. You can just contact them if you wish to purchase the product. For prevention of undesired discharge, odor, and related complaints, or to counter yeast, one application in 3 days is already enough. More frequent application will increase the efficacy of the product. In case of vaginal discomfort, such as itch, irritation, sensitivity, redness, and soreness, use an ample quantity of this gel at least once a day or whenever relief is desired. So after application, you may experience a tingling sensation. This sensation is normal and will quickly disappear. In case you're wondering what the ingredients are, it's hard to read, guys. Galactwarabinan, polyglucuronic acid, cross polymer, xanthan gum, glycerin, caprylyl glycol, pH 4.1. 2QR complex patented bioactive polysaccharides. It has natural bioactive formula. It has no limitations in its use, and it does not interfere with any medication. So guys, if you want to read further about the product, you can actually find a leaflet inside in case you need more information about the product and how to use it. It's actually in here. The leaflet is in English, so you don't have to worry, and there are images as well which you can follow in case you're confused on how to use this. Alright, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions about MultiGyn Actigel, please do leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye lovies, take care.